Good afternoon and welcome to our virtual workshop. My name is Ginger Hanna from Workforce Solutions, North Texas. Today we're going to show you how to look for jobs using workintexas.com. I hope you've already registered with your basic information. If you've not, then I encourage you to do so. Go to workintexas.com and register as an individual. It's super easy and really doesn't take very long at all. Once you've registered, you'll be able to look for jobs using the methods I'm going to show you here today. If you need our help, see our video in YouTube. When you sign in, you will see the workintexas.com homepage that we're on right here, or as we will refer to as your dashboard. The dashboard has lots of information, and I want to introduce you to some of the features on the dashboard. So what you're going to do is scroll down and you will, as soon as you sign in, to view your job matches. So if you scroll down just a little bit, you automatically have job matches right here. Okay, and your job matches that you have in workintexas.com are based on the criteria that you entered during your registration. Click here for more related posts. Once you click here, then you're going to see a list of jobs matching the information that you put in when you registered. So there's a few matches on the home page or on your dashboard, but there's lots more matches on the following page. How do you apply for a job? You click on a selected job posting. So anything in blue, underlined in blue, is a link to get you to the post. So if you're interested in this particular job, you'll click on cashier right here. And once the job posting comes up, then it will show you how to apply. You'll have several options. So once the job posting pops up, you're going to see a couple of options up here at the top. How to apply. You can like this job and it'll put it in a list for you. Or you can click here to see more jobs like this posting. List of jobs will take you back to the list we were just on. Okay, so let's look over the job posting. So you've got to be at least 18 years of age to apply for this job. It is part-time and it's 25 hours per week. The skills that you put in will determine how well you match this job posting. As you can see, I match 100%, or Joe Customer matches 100% with all of these skills. So this is a really good, strong job match for you. If you don't match up very well, you can click on how I match up, and it will give you some pointers and tips that you can go into your account and fix so that you will have a greater job match. There's a job description. Read through the job descriptions carefully. Make sure that you meet the requirements for the job. If you don't meet the requirements, it's going to let you know that. Then you may want to go back into your file and correct any of that. You can connect with them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Glassdoor. It shows you the worksite information as well. This will populate a map that will show you exactly where it's located. How many hours per week, what the minimum requirements are for the job. And then there's a lot more information down towards the bottom of job if you're interested in any labor market information. Okay. Now, you've decided that you've read through the job posting and you've decided that you want to apply. You're simply going to click on how to apply. There's many different ways. Each job posting is going to have a specific way for you to apply. Make sure you read the instructions on how to apply. Some job postings that you choose may have you choose a resume. Some of them, like this one, are going to take you directly to their website to apply. Others may just have you click a few buttons to apply. Others may have you choose which resume you want to use to apply. So now you would just read through their job posting again and apply now. Okay, so back to the job posting. Let's click to go back to your list of jobs. Okay, so now that you're back to your list of jobs, you can search through and see if there are any other jobs that you might be interested in applying for. Okay, click on My Dashboard to return to your home page. There are a couple other ways I want to show you that you can look for jobs. Another way to search for jobs is to click on the job search in the left-hand side over here in the quick menu. There's a job search option. Click on job search. And this is a great way to look for jobs based on occupations. As I will show you, there are many ways to search for a job. Okay, one way is the quick option. You can select your area, and you can select by several different ways. If you'll notice here today, I'm going to select by zip code. You type in your zip code, and you can get an exact radius. An exact radius would be great for someone that was having trouble with transportation. You can find jobs in that specific area code, or you can select an area 5, 10, 25, or 50-mile radius within that zip code. You'll set your area first, and then type in an occupation. And if you'll notice, you're going to get a drop-down box every single time when you type in an occupation. So you want to choose from the drop-down box. There are several options available. And then click search. Once your list of jobs pops up, there's a couple here. Then you can click to apply, just like I showed you before. Now, one thing that you can do with a job search is save that job search. Right up here at the top, you can save this job search, or down at the bottom, click Save Search. What this will do for you is turn that job search into a virtual recruiter. Okay? What that means for you is now you don't have to look for a job. It will come to you in your email. So type in a title. Of course, you can have it run weekly, but why wouldn't you want to have it run daily? The message center notification is strictly internal, which means that you have to sign into your workintexas.com account to see if you have any messages. You can also ask the system to email you and text message you if you set up a text message phone number. If you didn't, you can go back and do that under your background information. Send an email when no jobs are found. It's automatically defaulted to expire in 30 days. So this is your criteria. Save that. Once you save that search, it turns it into a virtual recruiter. And then the system will look for those jobs for you every day and send those matches to you daily. Now, this is a great alternative because when you registered your account, you were only allowed to put one occupation in. So if you want to look for several different types of occupations, such as cashier, customer service, sales representative, those are three that are related but very different. Then you'll want to set up a virtual recruiter for each one of those occupations so that it runs daily and sends those job matches to you. That makes it super easy for you to find a job, and the jobs are coming to you and you're not having to go look for them. There are a couple other ways that you can look for a job as well. If you click on job search, you've got your quick option I just showed you. There's an advanced option, an intelligent option. If you want to search by employer, you can search by employer, by your education status, your skills, or even a resume match. Intelligent is a fun way to look for a job. Maybe you want to look for something outside the box. This is a great way to do that. There's a crowd search to see jobs that other seekers are looking for that are similar in education and experience to maybe something you hadn't thought about. There is also one over here that will give you an exact match. So there's a couple of different ways to search for a job, as you can see from the tabs right up here. When you check back in at Work in Texas, you will be notified if you have any messages from your job matches. Okay, you'll get a pop-up box that will pop up when you sign in saying you have some messages right across here. And there's a link you can click on that'll take you directly to your inbox. There you're going to find brand new, just posted jobs to workintexas.com. And of course, the sooner you get to a job posting, the better your chances are of getting noticed and getting invited to a job interview. Now, I want to go over a couple of other features on the dashboard. And if you'll notice, there's some widgets down here. If you're interested in career services, financial services, community services and benefits, there's some information for you there. Your employer plan, how it'll save your applications, how many applications have you applied to, and if any employers have viewed your resume, any workshops or trainings that we may have, job fairs that might be listed for our area. You can find those here. Labor market information and statistics over here. And here's your inbox, your message inbox. So once you set up that virtual recruiter, you'll have some messages in your inbox. If you have any appointments, those will be listed. Maybe you're interested in education services, going back to school. We can help you with that as well. Assistance and Learning Center over here. Employer postings. So there's a lot of information here on your dashboard. Okay. Other links you can click is how can we help you? There's a lot of different ways that we can help you. You can reach out to us over workintexas.com. Employment strategies, there's a directory of services. To get to your personal and profile information, your personal profile and contact information, you can click this link right here, or you can click over here to get to your profile. Either way. Okay, I'm going to open up. I have someone helping me, assisting me. I'm going to open that up to questions right now to see if anyone has any questions. Casey, are you still with me?
Yes, I'm here, Ginger.
Are you
Right
seeing?
now we don't have anything in our chat box just yet.
Nothing in the chat box. Okay. Is there anything else that you guys think I need to cover while we're on here? So how to look for jobs is super easy. Right here in the quick search menu, job search, or your matches that are automatically on your file when you sign in. Okay, so please stay tuned and keep an eye out for more training videos like this one from Workforce Solutions North Texas. Please drop your email address in the chat box before leaving so that we can let you know in advance. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and view all the training videos. If you need assistance, you can always call us and 940-322-1801 and press 2 for assistance from our employment services team. Thank you and have a great day.